Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through the process of generating the input files for mdsim360 using the CHARMM-GUI Solution Builder module. This tool helps us automate all the steps up until state energy minimization, which will then continue in mdsim360 along with NPT, NVT, and production runs. To start, let's go to the CHARMM-GUI website. Once you're on the site, head to the Input Generator section. Here, you'll find the Solution Builder module. This is the key tool we'll be using today, so let's click on it. Now, the first thing we need to do is upload a PDB file. You can either upload your own PDB or use an RCSB ID. For this example, I'm going to use the RACSB ID 200B, so I'll enter that and click Next. CHARMM-GUI will now display some details about the PDB. It shows us the two protein chains, AL and B, along with the residue IDs. It will also let us know if any residues are engineered. In this case, we don't have any engineered residues, so we can proceed. It also highlights any water molecules in the structure, which we can choose to include or ignore. For now, I'm going to stick with the default settings and click Next. Next, we enter the PDB manipulation step. This is where CHARMM-GUI lets us tweak some important aspects of the system. For example, we can adjust the pH, apply terminal group patching, which is very important for MD simulations, handle missing residues, and more. Since our system doesn't require any specific changes like disulfide bond handling or mutations, I'm keeping the default settings and clicking Next. Now we move on to solvating the system. Here, we'll set the size of the water box and specify how we want to ionize the system. CHARMM-GUI will also automatically calculate the ions needed and place them in the system. I'm going to leave the default options selected here as well. Once the solvation and ionization process is done, we'll see the periodic boundary condition (PBC) settings. CHARMM-GUI automatically configures the PBC for us, so we can click Next to move forward. At this point, we need to select the force field and simulation software. Since we'll be using mdsim360 for the next steps, it's important to choose GROMACS as the software. You'll see several options here, including Desmod, OpenM, and NAMD, but make sure GROMACS is selected. Once we've selected the correct force field and software, we can adjust the temperature settings if needed. But for now, I'll leave it as it is and click Next. Now, CHARMM-GUI generates all the necessary input files for us. The files are ready to be downloaded as a zip file, so we'll click the Download button. After the files finish downloading, it's time to switch over to mdsim360. Log into your account, create a new job, and choose the option I have a CHARMM-GUI Solution Builder zip file. Once you click on that, just upload the zip file we just downloaded. Now mdsim360 will recognize the files, and you can continue further. It's a pretty seamless transition from CHARMM-GUI to mdsim360. And that's it for today's tutorial. We've walked through generating the input files, uploading them into mdsim360. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.